How many milliliters of Guaifenesin syrup are contained in each dose of the prescription below? So Phenergan syrup 60 milliliters, Guaifenesin QSAD 200 milliliters. Directions: 2 tablespoons as needed for cough. So the first thing to calculate is how much Guaifenesin syrup is there, because that's what the question is asking. For how many milliliters of Guaifenesin syrup in each dose. So Guaifenesin is QSAD, which means up to 200 milliliters. So it's not 200 milliliters, it's 200 minus the other ingredients. So since Guaifenesin is QSAD 200 milliliters, whatever's left over of the other ingredients, which is 60 milliliters, is equal to how much Phenergan syrup we have. So there's 140 milliliters of Phenergan syrup total in prescription. But so they want each dose for the question, so that's why we have to look at the sig. So 2 teaspoons. So in each teaspoon there is 5 milliliters. Right? So to calculate how many milliliters are in 2 teaspoons, I just use the formula. So 2 teaspoons times it by 5 milliliters for each teaspoon, so that each teaspoons cancel out. So for each dose of the prescription, there is 10 milliliters in each dose. Right? And so now we want to know what percentage of Guaifenesin is in the prescription. So there's 140 milliliters of Phenergan in the total amount of solution. So 140 milliliters of Phenergan in the total amount in the prescription, which is 200 milliliters. So that equals 0.7, or also 70%. So 70% is Phenergan in the total prescription. So I'm going to take the milliliters in each dose, and then I'm going to multiply that by the percentage of Phenergan in each dose, which is 70%. So that equals 7 milliliters. 7 milliliters is your answer. Oh. And since the answer must be numeric, no use a comma, round answer nearest whole number, so 7 is the answer. You fill in the blank in the computer.